a trip can be complicated, but packing for that trip doesn't have to be. With Wool and, I have found the perfect staple clothing items that meet all of my needs for carry-on travel. As a full-time traveler, I need clothes that I can wear in all kinds of weather and for all kinds of activities. From cold and stuffy airports and bus terminals, to sightseeing at city centers, day hikes in the beautiful forest, to dining out in a new town for the first time, I know Wool and has me covered for every occasion. The secret to Wool and's clothing being so versatile and well-suited for travel is everything is made from merino wool. Merino wool is naturally breathable, odor-resistant, incredibly soft, and temperature regulating. This means that I can wear it all day, walking around hot and humid beach towns, and it will keep me cool despite the weather. Then, at the end of an adventure-packed day, I simply hang it up to air out, and in the morning, it's freshened up and ready to take me anywhere I want to go. If you've got a trip coming up, check out Wool and to uncomplicate your packing list and prepare for your next adventure in style.